Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for the constant support. And if this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Let us know if you love our content. And on today's video, I'll be teaching you how to shoot and
We're teaching you how to pose and shoot limousine girls.
Yes, what she said. We'll be teaching you how to pose and shoot limousine girls. Yes, so I have my amazing friend, Toyin. I know you've definitely heard her name the last video. Yeah. Oh no, 2 videos or 3 videos ago. The how to shoot Valentine's videos.
Yeah.
Please introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Toyin, also known as Dr. Toyin, Dr. T, for those that don't know. Dr. T. Dr. T, this is Dr. T, yes. I'm a vet, I write, I do makeup. I do a couple of things. I'm a creator and I'm happy and glad to be on this channel once again. But yeah, I can't wait for you guys to watch this amazing content. In case you're looking for what limousine girls are, you'll find out as you continue to watch. Don't click out, so please.
So let's get into this. So we'll be doing 2 outfits. We'll be doing a shirt and jeans, then we'll be doing a dress. So I'll be showing you guys how to pose and we'll be doing this together because I'm shy. Bye. We'll be starting with the legs because the legs are like you start your pose from the leg. Work your way from down up. You don't just want to just pose and then have the person just begin and begin confused. You direct the pose. You teach them how you want them to pose. You guide them basically. That's what I'm trying to say. So one other thing photographers should not do, or you should come and be touching them and be telling them to move their leg like this or moving their leg. It's very wrong. Don't do that. The way you start your pose, right? For most people, when they stand like this, it just makes them look a little wide. It makes us, even myself, makes me look a little wide. So what do you do for ladies? You kind of put your whichever part of your body you're comfortable with, either your left leg or your right leg, let it go back, right? So when you put your left leg back, right, it helps your body, it helps the curve come out a bit. There are 2 ways to it, right? Yeah. So if you want to slim someone's body down, you need to bring one leg forward, right, and bend the knee. No, can you see me? I'm like this, right? Put your body weight on the leg you're comfortable with. Okay. Then you bring the leg forward. Can you see?
Okay.
Is that comfortable?
That's comfortable.
Actually, see me? Yeah? Mm-hmm. See me, point the toe towards me. Then you bend the knee in.
Towards you?
No, point the toe forward,
Okay.
Point the toe forward and bend the knee.
Yeah.
So this way, it makes the person curve their body and then slims them down. Am I?
Yeah.
Do you see it? So you can start this way. Bring your leg forward and push the hip out. Right. This is weird, but I hope you can see what I'm doing. So toes pointing forward, push the hip out, right? That way you can do every pose that comes this way. So we've done the down part. That is variation 1 for the down part, right? There is also the part of when you want to make your buttocks look quite thick. So there's a way they do it like this. So you know the pose that people do like this? Yeah. So the main point of it is so that you can look at the finesse. You stand this way. Okay. Can you see me? So you push this leg, push this hip. It's always about the hips, right? You want to push the hips, right? Can you see this? So this variation, we have 2 now. Stand this way, bring your leg forward, tip the toe, push the hips to the side. Does that make sense? Not this one, because this is weird. Can you see me? This is weird. Except you're dancing in their move. Teaming, oh yeah. Have you? Yeah. So basically, you put one leg forward, push the hips to the side, right? Or you take the leg this way. This is what I'm saying. This way it accentuates your hips, makes you look as curvy, as beautiful, as flattering as possible. So that's how you start from the legs. And then one more thing. when you're imagine lines coming out of your legs, right? They don't point. They don't point in the same direction. Because by the time because by the time you stand like this, it makes you look like this is way small children. These are children pose, right? Children just stand like this.
How they stand in basketball.
Yeah, so you just stand like this or like this. You're changing your pose from standing like this to standing like this, standing like this, right? So basically, like I said, it's all about the hips. The hips help you. So move your leg to the side, move your leg forward, right? To this side, you can always do it also to this side. Can you see the difference? See this? You get? So now we are done with from the leg to your waist. Now we are going from here upward. So it just is when you are moving your body, when you are turning your body, you don't want to turn your body this way and then your body is coming this way. It's awkward. Can you see? We are not. There's no flow. There's nothing. How do I put it? There's no flow of direction. The pose is not going in the right direction. You don't want to go like this. Yeah. You want to take your body in the same direction your body is going. Can you see this? So if you are turning your body this way, ensure your upper body too is facing this direction. And for ladies, because I'm a guy, right? It is a very weird thing for me to be doing like this. Can you say? It's very weird for me to be doing like this. Guys don't do this. Guys don't do this. It's ladies that do this. Ladies find it easy to raise one shoulder. It's very flattering. Do you understand? So by the time you are posing, you want one shoulder to come up, one shoulder to be higher than the other. And because you are a lady, ladies will tend to take their chin towards the higher shoulder, not the lower shoulder, because you not see ladies do like this.
Okay, so
it's like this. Is it making sense? Try this as many times as you can, right? And make it your own pose. You understand? It's not I'm telling you to do it. Yeah, I've told you to do it, but make it yours, right? See, before we talk about the hands, right? Can you see this? This is weird.
Yeah, this is weird.
Do you get? This is weird. So it has to be this hand, but make it yours. So now from this we are now going to the hands, right? See my hands, right? You don't want to bring it this way. You don't want to bring attention to the crotch area. You don't want to bring, because most people they'll do like this. This is somehow you don't bring your hands this way because it's bringing your hands to the crotch area. Your body is speaking. Posing is an art, right? You are letting everybody that look at the image think like, oh, this is very beautiful. And wherever your hand goes, pointers, wherever your hand goes, wherever your eyes is facing, are important parts where anybody is going to look at in the image, right? So if I do my hand like this, I'm basically going to look at my pose from down up and then look at this place, which is somehow. Yeah. So you don't want to do that. You want to accentuate, you want to promote, you want to flatter, you want to show the very beautiful parts of your body as a lady. So the curves, even if you don't have a curve, by the time you do this, I'm sure I'm looking very sexy in the image. Somehow, right? Please. Yes, it's all for the video, right? So your hands are important. Your hands should go to the side. Can you see? To the side. Is it making sense? Yeah. I'm sure you're looking at Toyin. So to the side, not forward. To the side. So from the side, you can take it to the hip. Can you see? To your waist. Sorry, you can take it. Which one is it? This is waist. So you can take it to your waist, right? Mm-hmm. Can you see my shoulders? This one is definitely higher than this one. So it should be somewhere if I go like this. So you can take it like this. And then one other thing, when you're doing this pose, should not be showing in your image, right? You don't want this to be the first thing anybody's looking at the image and then it's like this. This is the first thing they're meeting. You want them to see your face first. So what do? I take this elbow to the back. Can you see? Can you see what I just did? Whew, God, I beg. This is so weird, but like, I'm going to do it for you guys. So you take it to the back, right? Point your toes. You can see, if I still do the side ones too. Can you see? Which is my higher shoulder? This is my higher shoulder. It would be weird to do like this. Except I want to raise this one up. Right? You get? So Can you see this? So you can come to the back, push the elbow back in, let it come forward. Then your hands can also do this. But the gist with this is it's mirror. You don't want to mirror, you don't want your poses to mirror each other. Right? Okay. You don't want the same thing that is here to be here. Yeah. It is fine actually. It is fine, but like it's kind of boring. So what you can do is you can take one hand down. Like I say, since you don't want this elbow to be facing the camera, you can let this one be the one that will be on your waist, and let this one be on your, thigh, right? Your thigh.
I feel like your thigh. One hand up.
Yeah, your thigh. So, yeah, and then.
The up shoulder should have an upper hand, but it's low shoulder.
Yes.
Should it be the opposite?
Okay.
Up shoulder, upper hand, low shoulder, down hand.
Yeah, I don't get.
Like I'm thinking, should it, Charlie, you know how the shoulder here?
Oh yeah, it's fine actually. You don't necessarily always need to point your chin towards the higher shoulder. So it can be down, and then can. Do you get? Can you see what I just did? You don't necessarily have to do like this. It's not every time. You can always do this. Can you see me? And then remember I was saying that you want the first thing your camera person or the person that's looking at the image to see, your face, your beauty, your curve and everything. You can do this and push yourself forward. Pushing yourself forward reduces the distance between your chin and your shoulder and your knee. So that might do like this, right? What do you first see first? My stomach.
Yeah.
So you don't want to do like this.
No, you don't want to mark out.
Push it. Push it, right? I hope you are making sense. Push the hips, right? Trust me, you're not going to break. You ain't going to break, right? So do this, right? This, right? And because we are shooting limousine ladies, you don't want to shoot a limousine lady from down up, except you are shooting a full pose, right? Because most of us, right, we have this thing. Seem to have it, right? It's very easy for anybody to take a picture and then they're taking a picture and this is part of what is showing. So what do you want to do? You want to shoot from up down, right? By the time the person shoots like this, it hides this, right? You don't want to take a picture and then this is what is showing. You want to be able to chisel the chin. Does that make sense? So when you're taking a picture of a limousine lady or someone that is a little sick, right? You don't want them doing like this.
No, you don't want them.
Right? Bring the chin down. Let them look at you fiercely. Are we on point? Are we making sense? It's not every time you're going to do this pose. It's boring. It's not those one pose it's not your go-to. So you can always, do this from the beginning, right? Do this. Remember, by the time I point this elbow like this, right? It's not pushing. This is not pointing towards the camera. It's backwards, right? You can do like this. You can take it to the side. Like you can take it to the side. Like like your hand from here. You can come this way.
Yeah.
You can come this way. You can come this way. No, see me? Because you can come this way, then lean forward. Yeah. Don't forget, I'm facing the same direction my body is going. I don't want to do like this. Right? You can this, right? You can this. Does it make sense? Are we on track?
Yeah.
I hope you are getting one or two things. So we're going to take pictures right now and make you see what we've been doing so far. I'll be shooting with you 24-70 Sigma lens on an 80D, and a parabolic umbrella and 8600. So let's shoot. And we're watching how Toyin makes use of the pose we just talked about. So yeah. So we've come to the end of the video. I hope you learned one or two things. I hope you are going to try the pose. Right? Yes. So thank you so much for joining us, and
Bye
thank you,
for now.
Toyin. Thank you, Toyin, for joining us, and bye for now.
Bye for now.